Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos after 30 days. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, you know that after 30 days, the photos you have deleted, they will be deleted forever from your phone. So, how can you recover it? Well, if you have uploaded them to cloud previously, you will be able to see them that way. So you can go to files and search for there, or go to iCloud. You basically want to log in and from there search for that photos, apps, or whatever you want to search. If you have not saved photos before they were permanently deleted, unfortunately, you cannot recover them anymore. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.